Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Frederick Rodriguez, top 1 in the October 2005 Criminologist Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Fred.
Ay, good day, reviewee. Again, I am Mr. Rodriguez. Now, ang magiging style ng lecture natin is parang rationalization muna. So, hindi muna tayo sa full-blown review. So, ang mangyayari ngayon, magbe-base lang tayo or focus lang tayo sa mga questions, then answers. And I'm not telling you na kapag lumabas na yung mga question na to is enough review na yan. So hindi pa to, kulang lang to, parang introduction lang kumbaga. So ano yung mga asahan yung mga tanong. Okay? Now, let's say this police organization, ang dami-daming topic dito. So kung ano muna yung nasa options, ano yung muna sa questions and options, doon muna tayo mag-focus. Okay? So, halimbawa, ano yung mga tricky questions, yung mga sobrang basic. Minsan kasi maski sabihin nilang basic, namamali pa rin tayo. So, unahin natin ang police organization. Lamang, ayaw mag-start. So, tingnan natin. So, dito, marami pa rin namamali dito, maski sabihin nilang basic. So, as to number 1, this term was interpreted as an authoritative term for those in power. It was used by the Roman to modify the Greek word for police. Right? The answer for this question would be right, Politia with this spelling. Okay, Politia. So tingnan natin. So with this spelling, police, it means Greek word din yan. It means city-state. But meron ding isang spelling na ganito. Tingnan nyo maigi. Ibang-iba sa Roman. Also means government of the city. Whereas with this spelling, Roman word, condition of the city. So sino ngayon ang nag-introduce ng word na police as a person who enforced the law? Kasi dito sa police, politea, and policia, government of the city, and so on. It was the French. Alright? At then, part pa rin ng history. So sabi, this is a system of policing that emerged during the Anglo-Saxon period. Under the system, all male residents were required to guard the town to preserve peace and protect the lives and properties of the people. Now, one tip pag nagre-review is rin kayo ng mga tinatawag na keyword. Bilugan nyo o kaya guhitan nyo. But of course, hindi ibig sabihin na pag meron kayong keyword is okay na. Dapat intindihin nyo rin yung inyong concept. Okay? So, ang sinasabi nito, lahat daw ng kalalakihan ay required. Bantayan ang bayan. So, ang tawag nila dito is, ito mismo, town policing. Town is an old English term for town. Town. So, isa-isayin natin dito. Ngayon pa lang tandaan nyo na to para hindi may ano. By the way, ang tawag dito, class, is informal policing. Bakit informal policing? Kasi ang mga kadalasang nagbabantay lang dito ay mga male residents. So, kumbaga sa style natin, ito yung mga parang nagsisilbi lang as tanod. So, unlike sa ngayon, mayroon tayong mga national police. So, yun ang trabaho nila. Maging police, may sahod. Unlike dito sa mga to, parang voluntary and involuntary style. Okay? Kung sino yung lalaki and able-bodied men, sila na yung may tungkuling magbantay sa bayan. So, isa-isay natin. UN Cry class. Yun to, UN Cry. Ito daw yung ninuno or precursor ng tinatawag natin ngayon na citizens arrest. So ano yung sistema sa hue and cry? Kapag merong isang biktima, okay, so yung complainant daw will shout to call all male residents. Then these male residents now are required to assemble and arrest the suspect. Yan, kaya tinawag na hue and cry. How about this one? Teething system. Teething old English lang to ng 10 things. Right? Tapang bawat territorial unit ay binubuo daw ng 10 hides. Usually ito rin ay mga male residents. How about this frank pledge system? Okay. Now, imagine niyo itong 10 things na to. Kapag may nangyaring krimen class, under the frank pledge system, yung mga members ng 10 things na to, hahanapin nila among themselves or among their group kung sino yung salarin. Okay? So let's say group 1, 2, and 3. So ang gumawa pala ay member ng group 3. So yung group 3 na yan, hahanapin nila sa sarili nila sino yung possible na culprit among themselves. Then meron silang tungkuling isuko sa chieftain. Anong tawag dyan? Frank pledge system. So connected yung teething and frank pledge. Now let's go to other informal police system, the shire rib. So madalas na to lumalabas sa exam dito is, ito yon. Saan daw nanggaling yung term na sheriff? So sheriff kasi usually sa western countries, US and other European countries, ang tawag nila sa pinaka chief of police nila. Okay, ang counterpart ng sheriff sa kanila is our chief of police, yung hepe ng municipal o city police station. So ang tawag sa kanila, sheriff. And take note, yung meron din tayong sheriff sa Pilipinas, and although hindi siya considered as police, law enforcement, police, member ng police natin, siya ay opisyal ng korte, yung takapagpatupad ng judgment ng court. So in shire rib class, okay, yung shire, division of 55, okay, military areas. Ang nagsaserve ngayon na headman or the head of the group is termed as rib. Okay, with this spelling. So shire rib. So yun lang, ito lang yung mga ilang informal police system. Okay, tandaan nyo yan. So again, kung ang tanong dyan, ano yung precursor ng ng citizens arrest? Kung tawagin natin ngayon, we have UN cry. Another thing you have to remember is posse comitatus. Ano naman tong posse comitatus? Literally means power of the country. Now in this legal rule, all males over age of 15 on whom a sheriff could call for assistance in preventing any type of civil disorder, okay, is bound or obligated to help such sheriff. So yung sheriff daw kapag hiningi niya ang tulong ng isang lalaki na age 15 or over and able-bodied naman, tungkulin na itong taong to na tumulong. Right? So has its roots in English this grows out of UN cry. Now, ano yung analogy natin sa Pilipinas ng posse comitatus? Ibig sabihin parang pwedeng pilitin ang lalaki na age 15 na tumulong sa sheriff. Okay, pilitin ha, pilitin, hindi request, pilitin. O, meron din tayong counterpart niyan. Yung ating ROTC. So, yung mga reserve officers sa inyo, kapag nagkaroon ng war in which the Philippines is involved, you are required. Hindi i-request ng gobyerno yan. You are required to fight for our country. lalong-lalo na kapag ubos na ang active. So yun lang yung application. So parang posse comitatus sa atin. Right? Now, paano kaya kapag ang pulis ay hindi kayang arestuin ang isang tao? Pwede bang tumulong ang yung rule natin ngayon? Okay? Yung prevailing rules sa Pilipinas. Paano pag nanguhuli ang pulis at hindi kayang huliin? Halimbawa ng pulis yung suspect, pwede bang tumulong ang citizen? The answer is yes. Question, meron ba silang tungkuling tumulong? Doon tayo nagka-problema. The answer is wala. Okay? So essentially, hindi yun application ng posse comitatus. So going back to our basic premise class. So tandaan nyo to, posse comitatus, Latin term, literal means power of the country. So ano yung mga dapat nyong tandaan sa informal policing system? Okay? Tan policing, shire reeve, eating, rank pledge, and posse comitatus. So ang tanong kasi, meron tayong informal policing. Ano ngayon yung formal policing? Doon ngayon papasok si Sir Robert Peel. So sino yung si Sir Robert Peel? Siya daw yung father of modern policing system. Right? Naging father of modern policing system kasi siya yung Prime Minister ng United Kingdom na gumawa ng batas na nagsasabi dapat merong isang grupo na ang trabaho lang ay maging pulis. This must be well trained. So hindi katulad ng mga to, itong mga pulis lang dito ay mga able-bodied male citizens. Okay? Malakas ang katawan mo, malaki ka, and nasa tamang edad ka na, pwede ka nang magpulis dito. Right? Tingnan nga natin. So number 3. The policy system during the Norman period, which is claimed as the forerunner of the word sheriff, right? Whereby England is divided into 55 military districts, each headed by a ruler in order to enhance policing. Yan. This is shire system. This one. Nagpakalito-lito minsan dito. Tingnan nyo to, Alpha and Charlie. So ito muna. So what is the proclamation issued by Richard of England sometime in 1195 that required the appointment of knights, okay, to keep the king's peace by standing as guard on bridges and gate and checking the people entering and leaving the cities and towns. Okay? So nung mga panahon na to, alam niyo ba yung mga knights, mga baluti, yung balot na balot ang katawan sa bakal kapag makikipagyera. Okay, so sino daw sila? Okay? Sila yung, ang tawag sa kanila class, keepers of the peace. Tingnan nyo minsan nalilito tayo dito sa keepers of the peace and justice of the peace. Right? So later on, tingnan natin ano itong justice of the peace. Right? Ito yung pagkakaiba. So again, sa justice of the peace, okay, 3 or 4 men who were learned in the law of the land were given authority to pursue arrest. Usually mga civilian to. Justice and imprison violators of law. Right? Justice of the peace ang tawag. Yung watch and ward system, eto na ngayon yung mga knights ay required magbantay sa gates and bridges ng palasyo. Okay? And by the way pala, kung may follow-up question, saan pinag-usapan pa rin natin is informal policing system. Saan naman nanggaling ang formal or modern policing system? So ang sagot lagi is England. Okay, isa sa kingdom ng United Kingdom or Great Britain. So doon din nanggaling si Sir Robert Peel. Now, the first full-time organized police in United States was formed. First full-time organized. US naman tayo, US. Right? So, according to history, we have Boston, Massachusetts.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!